This is the local and national news from Fabulous 103 FM, and it would be fabulous if you subscribed. It's easy. Click the subscribe button, and at the same time, click the like button too. Another sad reminder of the craziness of motorbike renting here, as a British girl has hit the UK headlines following an accident that has seen her handed a medical bill for around 1.8 million baht. Obviously in a private hospital and high-end at that, the 20-year-old claims to have been hit by another bike while she herself was riding a rental. Yes, she had insurance, travel insurance, but, and it's a big but, does she have a bike licence? According to her family, she is fast recovering, but the insurance company is slow to approve her claim. The family paid out an initial 120,000 baht on the first day, but bills for operations are rising. Now, for older British, it's worth checking your licence. As for many, we're grandfathered in with small bike licensing too, along with the right to drive a tractor, even a track-laying vehicle and a small HGV. But for most, and all youngsters, that's not the case. Either way, Ruby Spry and her family have set up a fundraiser to help with bills, as they hold out little hope for the travel insurance company paying. Bikes here are not rented with personal insurance cover. With more cars on the road than was imaginable 10 years ago in Thailand, one issue is that for many, their ride is their biggest asset. Now a Thai bank is launching a title pawn program for account holders. Good or bad, you decide, but it's expected that other banks will follow with the promise of loans of up to 100% of the value. That value, well, obviously it's set by the bank, not the driver. But with interest rates of 0.5% a month and 6-year terms, it certainly will be a better way for the cash-strapped to borrow than using loan sharks. Charged with organising a Ponzi scheme that ripped off so-called investors with the promise of gold at under market price, a 33-year-old woman was nabbed as she arrived back at Bangkok airport this week. Her pending arrest warrant popped up on the immigration screens, and she's now in custody, having fled when warrants were issued at the end of last year following complaints by those who trusted her. Most received a return for a few months before the money dried up, as that of course is part of the scam to get payers to invest even more. And tobacco authorities are complaining that their business, taxed and legitimate here, is being beaten hands down by illegal vendors offering smuggled cigarettes for sale on the internet. With claims that online business has nearly doubled in the past 5 months, and that the vast majority is sold via Twitter, Line and Facebook, a clampdown is certainly likely. Meanwhile at home and in Pattaya, a raid on a gay club operating without a permit, an open way after legal closing time anyway, saw police testing all patrons and staff for drugs. 15 failed the test, and with reports of suspicious packages thrown around the building, 50 customers drinking at the time of the raid, and officers less than impressed, all were taken into custody, as the Banglamung District Police Chief stated that he will recommend that the property be banned from the entertainment business for 5 years. That decision's left to the provincial governor. An 81-year-old German died in Nuglua yesterday after crashing his motorbike into a corrugated metal fence in an area with a 40 km/h speed limit. Critical head injuries were noted by medics who rushed him to hospital, where he was sadly declared dead on arrival. Pattaya Beach Road will see a ban on parking from the start of next month, according to the city mayor, who cited the return of tourism, coaches and heavy traffic as good reason. There'll also be a ban on speedboats meeting travellers along the beach line, and all will be moved to the Bali High area, where adequate parking and mooring is available. And sparks flew at a Pattaya massage parlour this week that didn't involve patrons. Amid claims of faulty wiring to signage, the fire brigade raced to Soi 13 to find flames, smoke and acrid smell filling the air. That was quickly doused, but the fire itself was blamed on workmen. Next Thursday sees the return of Honda LPGA Thailand to the Siam Country Club golf course, welcoming many from the world's best female golfers. With $1.7 million US in prize money, the event will be televised, and once again visitors are welcome to watch, with COVID far behind us. Under 16 or over 60, entries free. For others, it's just a nominal price. And with the Met Office promising a hotter day today, highs of 28 dropping down to 24. Local and national news today from Fabulous 103 FM and Fabulous Pattaya Media Group. And to get a notification every time we release another bulletin or programme, Like and subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Pattaya Media Group, by using the link below.